Oh, hi. I thought I heard someone come in. I'm your voice teacher, and welcome to Warm-Ups with your voice teacher. Last time, we did the lip trill. Now we're going to do the second exercise. While the lip trill worked on engaging the body for support, this exercise is going to work on creating pharyngeal space. Together with that support, we should start to create a wonderfully warm and yet resonant tone. This is what I like to call the ah. It is a wonderful Italian open oh, and then we lift the tongue slightly for the I, and then back down for the ah. There shouldn't be any change in the jaw. We're going to continue to keep that nice and loose. Ah. If you remember the brr, engaging the lower abdomen, brr, ah. We're going to start in C major. Going down. Vibrato on every note. Very legato. Good. For those of you who have more middle or high voices, let's go up. This is D major. Feel the engagement. Engage. Very good. On your own. Excellent. Engage. Expand and engage. Two more. That's it. Very good. Cool it down. Now on your own, if you are a higher voice, you're going to continue to go higher. If it doesn't feel good, go back down. There's no reason to be a hero. Just take it easy. It must feel good, okay? If you're a lower voice, go lower. Always start in that middle. Make it nice and strong. And your voice will beginning to be built wonderfully. Well, I'll be back next time with the third part of the warm-up. Happy singing. Take care of yourself and each other.